everybody, it's Chevy with Daly City Rec, and today we are gonna make a snowman. What you're gonna need are some brushes, some paint, and a canvas, and some tape if you'd like. Alright guys, for the background we're gonna mix this iridescent medium along with blue, and we're also gonna mix this medium with white. Now that you mixed your colors with the iridescent medium, go ahead and start painting yourself the background. I'm gonna start with the blue. Okay, now that you're done making the color of the background, go ahead and grab some white, and we're gonna begin making the shape of our snowman. Now for the fun part, we're gonna add some coal, a scarf, and a face to the snowman. Hope you had fun building a snowman with me on a canvas, and I'll see you in the next painting.